Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather and welcome to day 2 of the 12 cookies of Christmas. Now, yesterday's cookie was that potato candy cookie. If you missed it, go check it out. Today's cookie is a no-bake cookie. Now, some people have been eating no-bake cookies for all of their life, but other people, especially recently, are like, I've never had this cookie before. What is this cookie? So I thought I would make them with you. Now today I'm gonna show you both the peanut butter version and we're gonna try a version with Nutella. So if you're ready for this adventure, this is what you're gonna need. You are going to need half a cup of butter, 1 2/3 cups of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, half of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half of a cup of nut butter of your choice. That includes almond, peanut butter, sun nut butter, just a nut butter of your choice, or Nutella if you're gonna do the one that I'm gonna do too. You're also gonna need 3 cups of oats. All right, the first thing you wanna do is melt your butter. While that's melting, go ahead and make sure you have your sugar, your cocoa powder, and your milk ready. All right, once your butter is melted, let's go ahead and add in our sugar, our cocoa powder, and our milk. We're gonna give that a nice stir, and we are gonna stir until it comes to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we're gonna go ahead and let it boil for just 1 minute. Now, if you're making the traditional no-bake cookie, you're gonna use that half of a cup of peanut butter at the end of this, but since we're gonna do it Nutella way, we're gonna use the half a cup of Nutella. Now, will this be too much chocolate? I mean, it quite possibly could be, but I like chocolate, so I'm sure it's gonna be fine. If not, I did make some other cookies, so I can show you what the peanut butter one looks like whenever it comes out. All right, do we have bubbling yet? We're almost there. All right, let's set a timer for 1 minute. All right, and at the end of 1 minute, let's go ahead and take it off. Now we're gonna add our nut butter, or in my case, my Nutella. I'm gonna give that a good stir, and then we're gonna add our vanilla and stir well until it's all incorporated and everything is the same color. It'll take you about 30 seconds. All right, and once that's smooth, let's go ahead and add our oats. All right, and once the oats are all mixed in, we're gonna get it on the tray. All right, and moving kind of quickly, we're gonna take scoopfuls, and you can use any scoop you'd like. This is the large scoop from Pampered Chef. We're going to scoop heaping scoopfuls onto the parchment paper. It's important you use parchment paper because these guys will stick, because they kind of are gonna act like a candy coating with this chocolate. They smell delicious. Well, my tray is not big enough, so maybe put yours a little bit closer together so that you can get more on your tray. It's fine, put 4 in a row. Now, with the back of your spatula, what you're gonna wanna do is kind of push them down into little discs. Now, you don't have to do this step, but I prefer cookies that look less like haystacks and more like hockey pucks. And if you see any like little bits sticking out the bottom, just push them back in. They'll all stick together in a second. There we go. And once they're all in little hockey pucks, make sure that they're all kind of pushed together. Now the hardest part, we've got to wait for 30 to 60 minutes or until they are hard and ready to eat. Let them cool, guys, let them cool. All right, you guys, well, they're done and they look fantastic. So, as I mentioned in this earlier video, I did make some with peanut butter. So these guys are the ones with the peanut butter. And these are the ones with the Nutella. Let's take some close-ups. Peanut butter and Nutella. Look at that. Now, I'm gonna break into both of them so you can see the insides of both. But here we have the regular no-bake. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Let's look. Delicious. And then let's break into the Nutella one. Ooh, it's even crustier than the other one. All right, there's Nutella, and there's peanut butter. So peanut butter is this one, Nutella is this one. They look identical, only one's a little darker. Wow, so I'm happy to report that you can definitely put Nutella in your no-bake cookies. But how does it taste? Ooh. Oh, that is what a no-bake cookie should be. I mean, you already know I love Nutella. I'm gonna just put Nutella in everything. What if we made a Linzer cookie with Nutella in it? Oh my goodness. If you have never had a no-bake cookie and you like oats and you like nut butters and you like sugar, this, pow, it will blow your mind. The flavor of this, the texture of this is awesome. Now, if you've never had a no-bake cookie before, go ahead and start with the peanut butter one, or if you have another nut butter, just to make sure that you like the consistency of them, because they are a little bit like pralines. If you have had pralines before, they kind of have the semi-crystallized sugar in them. They are fantastic. I absolutely love these. But now, as you know, I love Nutella. I'll put Nutella in anything. Maybe even I'll put it in a Linzer cookie. Is that coming up? I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing the 12 cookies of Christmas right now, and we have done 2 cookies so far. What's going to be my third one? I guess you have to tune in to see. Otherwise, you guys, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye. I'm taking this one with me.